कल्याणी श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते।
यस्य ज्ञान broadcast have I started?
Yes, sir, you have started.
Okay. अथधि यस्य ज्ञानदया सिन्धो रगाधस्य नगा गुणाः सेव्यतामक्षयो धीराः सश्रियै चामृताय च अथ धीवर्गः लास्य भगिनी, are you there? So from buddhir manisha till indriyam, if you can tell, it will be helpful.
I'm not really prepared with that.
Pardon?
I'm not prepared yet with that.
Prepared, okay. Okay, then you chant when I teach. Okay, I will ask Bhayakar. Okay. Kalyani bhavati vadati va?
बुद्धिर्मनीषाधिषणाधिः प्रज्ञा सेमुषी मतिः प्रेक्षोपलब्धिश्चित्संवित् प्रतिपज्ञप्ति चेतनाः धीर्धारणावती मेधा संकल्पः कर्म मानसम् अवधानं समाधानं प्रणिधानं तथैव च चित्ता भोगो मनस्कारश्चर्चा संख्या विचारणा विमर्शो भावना चैव वासना च निगद्यते अध्याहारस्तर्क ऊहो विचिकित्सा तु संशयः सन्देहद्वापरौ चाथ समौ निर्णयनिश्चयौ मिथ्या दृष्टिर्नास्तिकता व्यापादो द्रोहचिन्तनं समौ सिद्धान्तराद्धान्तौ भ्रान्तिर्मिथ्या मतिर्भ्रमः संविदागुः प्रतिज्ञानं नियमाश्रवसंश्रवाः अङ्गीकाराभ्युपगमसमाधयः मोक्षे धीर्ज्ञानमन्यत्र विज्ञानं शिल्पशास्त्रयोः मुक्तिः कैवल्यनिर्वाणश्रेयो निःश्रेयसान्निधम् मोक्षोपवर्गोऽथा ज्ञानमविद्यामतिस्त्रियाम् रूपं शब्दो गन्धरसस्पर्शाश्च विषया अमी गोचरा इन्द्रियार्थाश्च इन्द्रियं कर्मेन्द्रियं तु पायवादि मनोनेत्रादिधीन्द्रियम्।
अस्तु, धन्यवादाः। लास्य भगिनी वदतु। तुवरस्तु कषायोस्त्री
तुवरस्तु कषायोस्त्री तुवरस्तु कषायोस्त्री
मधुरो लवणः कटुः
मधुरो लवणः कटुः मधुरो लवणः कटुः
तिक्तोम्लश्चरसाः पुंसि
तिक्तोम्लश्चरसाः पुंसि तिक्तोम्लश्चरसाः पुंसि
तद्वत्सु षडमीत्रिषु
तद्वत्सु षडमीत्रिषु
विमर्दोत्थे परिमलः
विमर्दोत्थे परिमलः
गन्धे जनमनोहरे
गन्धे जनमनोहरे गन्धे जनमनोहरे
आमोदस्सोति निर्हारी
आमोदस्सोति निर्हारी आमोदस्सोति निर्हारी
वाच्यलिङ्गत्वमागुणात्
वाच्यलिङ्गत्वमागुणात् वाच्यलिङ्गत्वमागुणात्
समाकर्षीतु निर्हारी
समाकर्षीतु निर्हारी समाकर्षीतु निर्हारी
सुरभिर्घ्राणतर्पणः
सुरभिर्घ्राणतर्पणः सुरभिर्घ्राणतर्पणः
इष्टगन्धः सुगन्धिः स्यात्
इष्टगन्धः सुगन्धिः स्यात् इष्टगन्धः सुगन्धिः स्यात्
आमोदि मुखवासनः
आमोदी मुखवासनः आमोदी मुखवासनः
पूतिगन्धस्तु दुर्गन्धः
पूतिगन्धस्तु दुर्गन्धः पूतिगन्धस्तु दुर्गन्धः
आमगन्धियत्
विस्रंस्यादामगन्धियत् विस्रंस्यादामगन्धियत्
शुक्लशुभ्रशुचिश्वेतविशदश्वेतपाण्डराः
शुक्लशुभ्रशुचिश्वेतविशदश्वेतपाण्डराः शुक्लशुभ्रशुचिश्वेतविशदश्वेतपाण्डराः
अवदातस्सितो गौरो वलक्षो धवलोऽर्जुनः
अवदातस्सितो गौरोवलक्षो धवलोऽर्जुनः अवदातस्सितो गौरोवलक्षो धवलोऽर्जुनः
हरिणः पाण्डुरः पाण्डुः
हरिणः पाण्डुरः पाण्डुः हरिणः पाण्डुरः पाण्डुः
ईषत्पाण्डुस्तु धूसरः
ईषत्पाण्डुस्तु धूसरः ईषत्पाण्डुस्तु धूसरः
कृष्णे नीलासितश्याम
कृष्णे नीलासितश्याम कृष्णे नीलासितश्याम
कालश्यामलमेचकाः
कालश्यामलमेचकाः कालश्यामलमेचकाः
पीतो गौरो हरिद्राभः
बीतो गौरो हरिद्राभः पीतो पीतो गौरो हरिद्राभः
पलाशो हरितो हरित्
पलाशो हरितो हरित् पलाशो हरितो हरित्
लोहितो रोहितो रक्तः
लोहितो रोहितो रक्तः लोहितो रोहितो रक्तः
शोणः कोकनदच्छविः
शोणः कोकनदच्छविः शोणः कोकनदच्छविः
अव्यक्तरागस्त्वरुणः
अव्यक्तरागस्त्वरुणः अव्यक्तरागस्त्वरुणः
श्वेतरक्तस्तु पाटलः
श्वेतरक्तस्तु पाटलः श्वेतरक्तस्तु पाटलः
श्यावस्यात् कपिशो धूम्रः
श्यावस्यात् कपिशो धूम्रः
श्यावस्यात् कपिशो धूम्र
श्यावस्यात् कपिशो धूम्र श्यावस्यात् कपिशो धूम्र
धूमलौ कृष्णलोहिते
धूमलौ कृष्णलोहिते धूमलौ कृष्णलोहिते
कडारः कपिलः पिङ्ग
कडारः कपिलः पिङ्ग कडारः कपिलः पिङ्ग
पिशङ्गौ कद्रुपिङ्गलौ
पिशङ्गौ कद्रुपिङ्गलौ पिशङ्गौ कद्रुपिङ्गलौ
चित्रं किर्मीरकल्माष
चित्रं किर्मीरकल्माष चित्रं किर्मीरकल्माष
शबलैताश्च कर्बुरे
शबलैताश्च कर्बुरे शबलैताश्च कर्बुरे
गुणे शुक्लादयः पुंसि
गुणे शुक्लादयः पुंसि गुणे शुक्लादयः पुंसि
गुणिलिङ्गास्तु तद्वति
गुणिलिङ्गास्तु तद्वति गुणिलिङ्गास्तु तद्वति
There are 5 more lines which I will teach you. Usha Bagini, have you put, should I refresh the page? Usha is there. Usha Bagini, Usha Shanka. Usha Bagini. Oh, have you added those 5 lines?
No, Anna, I didn't add, Anna. I could not. I mean, today there was meeting and I was immersed in that, and I will do it today. Pakka. Sorry.
Rohini Rohita Rakta.
रोहिणी रोहिता रक्ता रोहिणी रोहिता रक्ता
Lohini Lohita Chasa.
लोहिनी लोहिता च सा लोहिनी लोहिता च सा
Lohitika Lohinika.
लोहितिका लोहिनिका लोहितिका लोहिनिका
Ragat Kopadina Piva.
रागात् कोपादिनापि वा रागात् कोपादिनापि वा
Shoni Shopath Pishangi.
शोणी शोपाथ पिशंगी शोणी शोपाथ पिशंगी
Pingala Harini Tviyam.
पिंगला हरिणीत्रियं पिंगला हरिणीत्रियं
Haritaini Tviyameta.
हरिणैति त्वयमेता
Haritaini Harita Yani. Haritaini Tviyameta.
हरितैनी त्वयमेता हरितैनी त्वयमेता
Sheni Sheta Sita Chasa.
शेनी शेता शिता च सा शेनी शेता शिता च सा
Nilaiva Vastre Vanamni.
नीलैव वस्त्रे वानाम्नि नीलैव वस्त्रे वानाम्नि
Nili Pranini Chaushadhau.
नीली प्राणिनि चौषधौ नीली प्राणिनि चौषधौ
Dhanyavadaha. I'm sure we have to add this from the Kshira Swami Vyakhyana. So I hope tomorrow it will get added. Dhanyavadaha. Lasya Bhagini, Dhanyavadaha. We will get into the meanings for some time, then I will get into the recitation. So we are in Rupam Shabdo Shukla Shukra Suchishweta Vishadashweta Pandaraha. Now that is the line which we have to. Then Shukla is white. So first Rupa Rasa Gandha Sparsha. Rupa means form. If you have to see the form, you need the Netrendriya. For the Netrendriya, you need through the Netrendriya, you can also, when you see the form, you can see the colors. So the colors are being now told. Shukla Shubra Shuchi Shweta Vishajashweta Pandaraha. So Shukla, Shubra, Shuchi, Shweta, Vishada, Shweta, Pandara, Avadata, Sita, Gaura, Valaksha, Dhavala, Arjuna. 2 lines. I think is white. This talks about white color. Now, how many words are there? I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 words are there for Shukla. Now, next line is Harinaf, Panduraf. These are we should be very careful with the next few lines. Harinaf, Panduraf, Panduhu. So, this can Harinaha, Panduraha, Panduhu. So it is yellow mixed white. Ishat pandustu dhusaraha. So Ishat Pandu. There are Ishat Pandu. Harinaha, Panduhu, Panduraha, and Panduhu are Ishat Pandu. They are Ishat Pandu. Ishat Pandu means off-white. In English, they say OFF, off-white color. So it is yellow mixed white, something like that. Okay. Next, Dhusaraha is little bit gray. Dhusaraha is gray. Ishat Pandustu Dhusaraha. So that Ishat Pandu, the main thing is whether we have to take it with Dhusara, we have to take it, or we have to take it here. Now Harinaha, Panduraha, Panduhu are one word. Ishat Panduhu and Dhusaraha are two words for Dhusara, which is grey. So then Harinaha, Panduraha, Panduhu are yellow mixed white. So let us clarify once more. Shukla, Shubra, Shuchi, Shweta, Vishada, Shweta, Pandara, Avadata, Sita, Gaura, Valaksha, Dhavalorjuna. Clear, it is white. These are white. Next comes your Harinaha, Panduraha, Panduhu, OFF, off-white color. Off-white means yellow mixed white. Ishat Pandustu Dhusaraha. Ishat Pandu and Dhusara are two words, which means grey. Next, Krishna, Neela, Sita, Shyama, Kala, Shyamala, Mechaka. All this means black. It is you may have Neela there and you cannot tell it is blue. As per even Tarka Shastra, Krishna, Neela, Asita, Shyama, Kala, Shyamala, Mechaka is black. Pita, Gaura, Haridrabha is turmeric color. Haridrabha. So Haridra is turmeric. Haridrabha, the color, the radiance of the turmeric. So Pita, Gaura, Haridrabha, the yellow color, which is like the turmeric color. Palasho, Palasho. So Palasha refers to the twig of a tree. It is a samit. Will come there. Palasha or Palasha, Harita, Harit. These are green. Palasha, Harita, Harit are for green. Lohito, Rohito, Raktaha. Lohito, Rohito, Raktaha. These are for red. Shona, Kokanadat, Chavihi. Shonaha, Kokanadat, Chavihi. These two are crimson. Crimson red. What they say? Crimson red. So crimson red is the red lotus. The lotus which is red in color, which is not pink but which is red. That red we are talking about. Shona, Kokanadat, Chavihi. That is what is Shona and Kokanadat, Chavihi. Then you have Avyaktaragaha, Arunaha. These are Avyaktaragaha, Arunaha. These are reddish brown. Arunaha, reddish brown. Shvetaraktaha, Patalaha. So white mixed with red will give pink. So Shvetarakta and Patala is pink color, or you can call it as pale red, or you can call it as white mixed with red. Next comes your Shyava, Kapisha. Shyava and Kapisha are the brown color. So if black and yellow or off-white color they mix, they give brown. Black and yellow also can give brown. That is called kapisha, shava kapisha. Next, dhumra. Dhumra dhumala krishna lohita. Dhumra dhumala krishna lohita. They are red mixed with black, krishna lohita. So they are red mixed with black. You can call it as dark red, or you can call it as purple. Some people say that is only purple. Dark red and purple, they call it krishna lohita, neela lohita. So neela lohita is the word used for purple. So from there comes krishna lohita. So purple. So you can take that as krishna lohita. Sorry, dhumra dhumala krishna lohita. Dhumra dhumala krishna lohita is purple. Next you have kadara, kapila, pinga, pishanga, kadru, pingala. This is called pingala varna. Okay. This is a special varna called gorochana, which is used in our shastras. It is so gorochana is this color. Is light brown to brownish orange. This is called gorochana. Where is it? This one. You see, this is the color for gorochana. Next, we have chitra, kirmira, kalmasha, shabala, karbura. It is a mixed color. All colors mixed, collage you say. That is called chitra varna. Now, this is gune shukladaya pumsi gunalingastu tadvati. So shukladayaha yete shabdaha yete from shukla shweta from here gune shukladayaha. When they talk about color, they are all in pullinga. So that we have to remember. But when they join with another visheshya, they become trilingas. Like for example, shukla shubra shuchi shweta, shweta shweni shweta. Then gaura becomes gauri in strilinga. Harina becomes harini. Panduhu in pullinga will become pandvi in strilinga. Kala can become kali. Rohita, lohita. So lohitaha pullinga, lohita strilinga. Then pishanga, pishanga. Kalmasha, kalmashi. Yeta, yeta, yeni. So yet like that there are pullinga and strilinga. We have to list it and see the usage and practice this set of words. Now this is the meaning of the Dvivarga. So we have still time. So first I will open for questions and then we will go for the recitation if we have time. Questions. Varun Nanduri. Question.
Namaskaram Mahodaya. I have a question about one of the colors. What does lohito and rohito mean again?
Where it is?
Lohito and rohito.
Where is it there? Which line it is there?
Lohito, rohito, rakta shonaka.
Red. Lohito, rohito, raktaha, red.
Thanks, Mahodaya. Dhanyavadah, Mahodaya.
Dhanyavadah. Venkatesh Mahodaya.
Can you explain the last two lines again? Chitram.
Chitram karmira kalmasha shabalaitascha karbure. So chitram, the word chitram, karmira kalmasha shabala karbura. These are shabalaitascha. Shabala and karbura, they mean chitravarna. Chitravarna is a mixed color. So you have 2 or 3 colors mixed. You say mixed color, no? Just like you have mix in music, just like you have. So mixed color. You see this.
Any other non-named color we can call it by this name.
No. Not that. Say for example, this is a mixed color. This color, no. Now you have what multi-color, some blouse design or something. This has come, no, mixed color. This particular vastra is called chitravarna.
Oh, I see. Okay, got it.
This entire thing you have to give one name for it. That name is Chitram. This is because the Ketu Bhagavan, why this has come in Amarakosha is the Ketu Bhagavan. Ketu is a planet with Navagrahas. The Ketu has got this color, Chitravarna. Ketu Deva. That is why this has come here. Okay. Dhanyavadaha. Veni Madhavi. Veni Madhavi, you have any question? Veni Madhavi. You are unable to hear your voice from so many days. Venkat Raghavan.
Namaskara.
What is your question, sir?
Shonapatra ante vartala. So Shonapatra is the same color you are meaning, or is it a stone, or how do you? Is there any reference for that?
So Shonapatra, Shonabhadra. Shonabhadra is a linga. Shonabhadra is a type of linga. Shonapatra.
No, I don't recall the literature, but somewhere I have read Shonapatrayate Kshanaha.
Shonapatrayate Kshanaha. See, one more thing I want to tell about certain things here. When you are dealing with Varnas, if the Varna has come from a particular tree, like for example, Palasha. Now, Palasha has come from a tree. Now, the tree has got a name and a color. That color may be the color of the leaf, the color of the bark, the color of the flower, something it will be there. Oh. That color will also be used for color in Sanskritam. So, we have to see the properties of this in Vanaushadhi Varga. Somebody yesterday, somebody sent me a mail saying that this Palasha, when I was telling, somebody was telling it has to be Palasha. Because Palasha is a patra and Palasha is a twig.
Samit.
Yes, Samit also. Palasha, Samit, Palasha, Vriksha. We use it in our Shraddha Karya. Palasha, without Palasha, we can't do our Shraddha Karma. So, now Palasha itself is a Samit. That Samit can also mean a color. That color is, here it is the color of the leaf, which is green. Now, Palasha Samit is not green in color.
No, Palasha is referring more to
correct. Now, similarly, now why I gave this analogy, sir, is because Shonapatra, maybe that usage was something like this. So that is what I am guessing. Shonabhadra is a linga, whereas Shonapatrayate Kshanaha is referring to a patra, which is dark red.
Crimson red.
Crimson red. That crimson red. A crimson red Shonapatra coconut chavihi. is crimson red, and that is the color. It is that Shona Patra Yatekshanaha, one who is having the Ikshana or the eyes like Shona Patra.
Similar to Shonapatra or the color of Shonapatra.
And so Shona Patra's color will be similar to Shona. That from that Shona Patra only they have taken this Shona.
Okay.
That is what I am trying to say. So Shona Patra is crimson red. We can conclude.
One more question, sir. The 5 shlokas additionally you told now. I just looked at Kshiraswami. I am not able to locate, sir. Is there some addition difference, or I saw this thing, but
Kshiraswami only it is there. NP Unni. So that book which is put in that
because it ends with 27 shlokas in Vivarga. Because I was just looking at.
It is not there in any Vyakhyana. It is there only in Kshiraswami in one edition which I am having.
Oh, it is in the Vyakhyana, but not in the main shloka, is it? Sir?
No, it is there in the shloka only. It is.
Okay. Nanatra on ditto, but shloka illilla. Okay. I was just wondering.
Both shloka is there. Vyakhyana is not there. That means partially it is there, but shloka is definitely there. So I will get that included and I will explain tomorrow once it is included. Dhanyawada. Question was very good. Dhanyawada. Ashok Mahodaya.
Dhanyawada. This was just now. Lohito, Rohito, Rakta. All three mean same red only.
Red color. Red only.
Then I am reading notes this last some days. What do you mean by cleave? Cleave means what is the meaning of cleave? It means
Kleba is Napumsakalinga, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Dhanyawad. Shweta Bhagini.
Namaskara. Is Arjuna also a color?
Which one, Shweta?
I
couldn't hear you properly.
Is Arjuna also a color?
Yes. Arjuna is white color.
Dhanyawad.
Arjuna has got many meanings. The word Arjuna has got many meanings. Here Arjuna means color, white color.
Dhanyawad.
Very good. Chitra Tyagarajan.
Sir, என்னோட ஆன்சர் பண்ணியாச்சு சார். இவர் கேட்டுட்டார், அசோக் கேட்டுட்டார். ஆன்சர் பண்ணியாச்சு. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Dhanyawad. Next, Rao US Mahodaya. Rao Mahodaya, you have a question?
One additional line is there in my book.
Which line, sir? Which line number, sir?
Pamro vipita raktastu pinjirah parikirtitaha Shvetaraktasthu patalaha tadanantaram Avyaktaragasparaha Shvetaraktasthu patalaha tadanantaram.
What is the line, sir?
Pinjirah parikirtitaha iti asti. Pamro vipita raktastu Pinjirah parikirtitaha.
Can you send that line to me, sir, if you don't mind, by typing in mail or something?
I will tell, sir. It is in Telugu, but I will convert. I will write in Devanagari and send, sir.
No problem. In Telugu, you can send. Our Usha Bhagini knows Telugu, so
okay, sir, then
she can do it. So you can.
Okay.
You send that. You can send that line only in Telugu.
Okay, sir.
Raja Raman Mahodaya.
Namaskar, sir. Pito Gauro Hari. That it is Palasho or the Dirga is there in Pa or no?
That is what I said. Both versions are taken. So in some of the books, Palasha is there. In some of the books, Palasha is there. Both we can take as Pata.
Okay, thank you.
But here the word Palasha should mean the color. In Vanaushadhi Varga, you will again get Palasha somewhere. You will get Palasha again in Vanaushadhi Varga. There it will mean Palasha Samit, Palasha twig.
You explained all that. Thank you, sir. Explained. But only thing in my book is the Dirga is there. In your
So I will introduce that Pata Beda. Both are correct.
Okay, thank you. Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad. Soumya Harish Kumar.
Sir, this Gaurav is there even in yellow color and even in white color.
Off-white. Avadata Sito Gauraha. And you will get Pito Gauro Haridrabaha. There are two places where Gaura is there. Yes, it's a good observation. So yellow mixed with white is also Gaura. And only Gaura can mean only yellow also. So both places, depending on the context, we have to take.
Oh, okay.
So both it means both colors. You are right. Okay. Very good observation. So Avadata Sito Gauraha, Pito Gauro Haridrabaha. Both are there. Yes, you are right.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Dhanyawada. Soumya Harish Kumar over. Next, Venkateshwaran Gopala. Question about sir.
Sir, is this crimson red the same as scarlet red?
Scarlet red, spelling enna?
Scarlet, SCARLET. This is strontium chromate, precipitate color.
Oh. Purdunde sir. Scarlet red is same. Nanu enakku on theriyadu. Same as crimson red. I will only Google. Scarlet is a brilliant red color with a tinge of orange. So it is giving something. There is a difference in solder.
Yeah, crimson and scarlet are different.
Different.
Sir, இன்னொரு comment என்னன்னா இந்த இந்திரியாஸ்ல மனசு is considered as a indriyas, karmendriyas, panchendriyas, pancha karmendriya, pancha gyanendriya, but manas comes apart of the 24 faculties for a human being. Manas is not forming a part of karmendriya or gyanendriya. It is separate. Manas, buddhi, chittam, ahankaram.
So there is a Sankhya philosophy, there is a yoga philosophy, there is a Advaita Vedanta philosophy. There is we have to merge all these things when we are bringing. But 5 plus 5 plus 1, that is what we say. 5 karmendriyas, 5 jnanendriyas plus manas. Manas is taken as separate. That's what we say.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad. Panchaladam sir.
I missed the discussion on Shona Patra. I don't see the Shona Patra text. Only Shonaha I see. So there are something.
No. What he was asking was Shona Patra Yatekshanaha. There is one prayoga in some shloka or in some. So how does what is the link between Shona Patra and this Shona? That was the question.
I was looking for that text in this one. And coming to
it is not.
I have those extra 6 lines you read. I have a commentary by Professor Ramanathan of Adyar. Extensive discussion on the similar to the Kiraswamy, but they are not the same because He's also missing some lines, but these next lines are there. I will type it in Devanagari and send it to you. Not an issue.
Or you can scan that portion with the Vyakhana and send it. It will be helpful.
That will be a PDF file, so I can send you a PDF.
It's okay. It's okay.
That's not an issue. My question is,
okay,
where does this color fit into Devarga? When you mentioned something about Ketu, but still, when it comes to brain and all,
that is what
color
so Rupam Shabdo Gandharasa Sparshascha Vishayami. So we have to, there is a Karmendriya, there is a Jnanendriya. Through the, how do we, how does Buddhi recognize a person? Through the Rupa, through the Shabda, through the Gandha, through the Sparsha, through the Vishayas.
Okay.
Now for Rupa you require color, for Gandha you require smell, for Rasa you require taste. That is how there is a connection.
That's cool. But then when it comes to color, it's a highly complex field like music. So Chitra, instead of Chitra, it's a collection of colors. So there is infinite variety possible. So that's really, yeah, in a way you're right, mind-boggling. But if you want to challenge how you're going to determine the color, like person said scarlet red comes in red, then there are thousands of red, then you go by, as a physicist, go by the wavelength. You don't care for what color name they use. So, yeah, this is, but this is all the colors they are using in a code page.
So the point which I would like to share here is, in the colors, the common colors and were only discussed and in all the granthas. So the color in with respect to the Vedanta. With respect to Ayurveda, you have some colors. The color of the medicine, color of the trees, color of the, you require color to recognize the tree. You require color to recognize the medicines. You require color to recognize the rupa of a person. So color was, in that context, color was very limited in those days. But today with the paint technology coming in, with you have, as you said, RGB, you just with the three main colors, which is RGB, that merging into white. Finally it is white. From white comes RGB. From RGB comes all other colors. So using that numbering technology which the paint people use, if you go to Asian paints, as you said, red only, you will have 500 varieties of red. Green, you will have 200 varieties of green, which we will never be able to relate to the ancient this one. We will not have every term for every color in ancient paint catalog. So basic colors and basic things is what is found in our ancient text. This is according to my understanding. There have been koshas which have come later. In those koshas you are finding some colors which are there, which are extra, and the modern koshas of some, the modern koshas of Samskrita Bharati and other things, they also have some extra colors, some extra words which they have developed. So it is like a Danda Deepaha. So you have a word Danda, you have a word Deepa. You made it Danda Deepa and you call it tube light. So Danda, the word Danda existed in the meaning of the stick. Deepa existed in the meaning of light. So a stick, a light which is in the form of a stick is Danda Deepa, which is tube light, is something which is modern. Like that, there are modern words in colors also which are coming in, which was not there in our granthas, original text.
That is there in all languages anyway. I want to finish one more question on the Arjunaha and Pandu. Are these people named based on their skin color? Pandu was supposed to have some kind of a white disease or something.
Yes. Pandu is definitely named after his color, skin color, because he was pale yellow in color. That is why he was called white pale yellow. That is why he was called as Pandu. Whereas Arjuna I'll have to check and get back to you on Arjuna, because the word Arjuna has got many meanings. It is Naranarayanatmaka. It has got other vyutpattis also. So I will have to come back to you on Arjuna.
One last question. With respect to the portal of this one, I was trying to look for the Ashtadhyayi lyrics because I see the screen you are putting it in, you're splitting it for the sake of pronunciation. But I don't see it on the portal. Is there something which you can share?
No, that you have to, in the portal you have to, you should not give ashtadhyayi.com. You should go for ashtadhyayi.com/sutrani/chanting.php. This is the link which you have to use for Parayanam. You can't. So, and then you have to click here. If you click ashtadhyayi.com, you won't get the split. This is specifically for this class.
Oh, okay. This one I want to get this document.
So you can get it by the link is Ashtadhyayi. If you had seen any of the videos, you would have realized this.
I use ashtadhyayi.com a lot, but I didn't know about this sublink underneath.
No, ashtadhyayi.com/sutrani/chanting.php. You just click, you will get this main page. Then you can select any pada. You will get the split version, and together you will get this.
Dhanyavada. Thank you.
Dhanyavada. Chitra Tyagarajan.
Namaste sir, I have one more doubt. இதை வந்து நம்ம ரெயின்போ கலர்ஸ் வந்து அப்புறமா டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணுவோமா?
எது?
ரெயின்போ 7 கலர்ஸ் வருது இல்லையா?
Rainbow, there is rainbow. So 7 colors is from white. You get 7 colors. That's all.
அது ஸ்ப்ளிட் ஆறதுனால வருது அப்படினு சொல்றாரியா? பட் இப்போ வந்து ஸ்கூல்ஸ்ல எல்லாம் 7 கலர்ஸே டீச் பண்றது இல்ல. ரெயின்போ has only 6 colors டீச் பண்ணிருக்கா. இண்டிகோ they have left out. They teach only blue.
That is why as I said, there is only one color which is white. From white has come the Brahma Vastu, one color, Ekam Brahma. If you ask me what is that one color, it is white. From white you get RGB, red, green, blue. From red, green, blue you can create all colors.
Okay, and the split agla varudhu. Prism la potu split pannuva.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Dhanyavada. Dhanyavadaha. So chanting, let me see what is the time now. It's already 6:20. So we'll have chanting in the next class, sometime in the next class. Anyhow, we have finished some parts of Dhivarga. Tomorrow we'll have some chanting. Swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam nyayena margena mahimahishah gobrahmanebhyah shubhamastu nityam loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram.